We are in which again formula क्या? Data tab. Okay, 1 minute. I'm getting confused. So we were into data tab, right? In data tab, we discuss about this part. Data from CSV, from web. This will be part of pivot table. Sort filter complete. This is complete. This is also complete. Group ungroup subtotal. Not clear. Okay. And what analysis is done, right? Goal seek only completed. Goal seek, right? No scenario and not data table, right? Goal seek completed. Goal seek completed. I asked this question. What is your goal? Remember? Okay. So today we are going to discuss these two, forecast sheet and this route, these three options. Okay, very, very important. Give me 1 minute. So what was goal seek? And I really appreciate that most of you guys practice on data validations and everything, right? I saw the screenshots, except yesterday and yesterday I did not check because of my health issues. But yes, I checked. You guys posted your results also, right? So goal seek completed, right? Goal seek nothing was. I will recap it again. If I want to make it to 500, right? Then only two figures can be changed. Either you have to sell more units or you have to change the discount percentage, right? That's what we did it. Now we'll discuss the table. Nothing but let's suppose this is a table. In this table, I have price. Price is how much? 32 rupees. $32, sorry. And quantity is 800. If I say total price multiply by quantity, total revenue, sales, yeah. Transport cost is how much? 10% of total revenue. Transport charge. This is a function we are applying. Don't think that why 10%, why applying this. It's only just kind of our practice purpose, okay? Other cost we are considering as let's suppose $20 on each quantity. $20 on each quantity. Total is how much for total cost? Nothing but this plus this, yes or no? This plus this total cost. Total revenue is this much. We know that if I want to know the profit, sales minus cost, yes or no? If sale is more, cost is less, profit. Sale is less, profit, cost is more, than loss. Yes or no? In this case, this is my sale. This is my total cost. Profit or loss? Profit only, right? Yes. If it is coming into negative, then it means loss. Clear up to it? Now, what if analysis? What if I sell 700 quantity? If I sell, what will be my profit? What if I sell 900 quantity? what will be my profit? What if I sell only 100 quantity? What will be my profit? In this case, what I can do is I have to change every time, like 100 quantity, this is my profit. Can you see here? If I say 200 quantity, my profit. Getting it? If I say 500 quantity, this will be my profit, right? Because the functions or the formulas I have put in there. Yes. Now, let me do one thing. The scenario manager, I have put it here, but I have to change those quantities again and again. Did you see it? Did you observe? I change the quantities 200, 400, 500, and then only I'm getting the profit. I can create one kind of scenario summary for 3 quantities, 4 quantities, or 5 quantities, whatever you want. Let's suppose I want to create a scenario summary for 100 quantity, 200, 300, 400. That I want to create. I want to create, let's suppose, starting with 100 quantity and I want to be up to 300 quantity, 100, 200, 300. All together, one sheet. All together, one sheet. What I will do, I will go to data tab, what if analysis, scenario manager. Click on it. Already I have shown for 100, 200, 300 quantities in other batch. Let me delete it and I have to start from the scratch. Let me delete it, delete, delete, delete. Okay. Now I need to add. Scenario name, nothing but let me give 400 QTY quantity profit or loss. Profit or loss. Changing cell, which cell you have to change? This cell only, right? Quantity wala. Okay. 100 quantity, right? Add. Next. For 200 quantity. Changing cell again same. Hit OK. It will be here. 200 quantity. Add. Same thing again. I will paste here and I will say print quantity. Okay. It will be here. 300. Add. Can you see here quantities? Now, if I say 100 quantity already there, right? Let me choose 200 and click on show. Click on show. Can you see here? Let me choose 300 and click on show. Can you see here? 300 quantity profit. Yes. I want to create all these 300, all these different quantities while a profit in separate tab as a summary. As a summary, I'll choose this and hit summary. Once you click on summary, result cells is this profit only. Scenario summary, yes, hit OK. Can you see? One additional sheet has been created. What is the profit for 100 quantity? 200, 300. This is how you can create a scenario summary. You can create n number of times. Let's suppose I want to create for 10 different quantities, 20 different quantities. And accordingly, you can change the particular cell also. What if I will change that price? What if I will change the selling price from 32 to 40 rupees, $40, sorry. What if I will change the quantity from 300 to 200? What if I will sell 100 quantity with $40? You can change accordingly. Okay. Now, for this also, this is the summary level detail, right? For the summary level detail, again, I have to add so many scenarios, and then I have to click on show, or then I have to click on summary. Then it will give me this kind of table. Long process. Instead of that, directly I can give like this data set. Can you see all these quantities? 200 profit, 300, this is a profit. What is the quantity here? What is the profit? Here, same quantity, right? I can create so many quantities and profit. The only thing is what I need to do here is I have to give a cell reference. I have to give a cell reference to this cell to this. Nothing but this is what? Profit. And I have taken a profit here. And you can write so many rows quantities. Example 200 starting with 200. I have here taken up to 1000. Let me give here, let's suppose 1500. You can add more also if you want. But this has to be referenced with this profit. This is the important. Done? Now, what I need to do is, and these are also a manual written numbers. I will select these two columns up to here. Go to what if analysis, go to data table. Okay. Column input cell. Column input cell will be this. Click on this quantity wala. Done. Hit OK. Can you see? In this column, what I have taken? Quantities. Which cell I'll choose? Quantities. Done. Done. You like this one, this or goal seek. इससे बढ़कर ये रहता है, इससे बढ़कर ये रहता. Basic, intermediate, advanced. Basic Excel, intermediate and advanced Excel. Done. Are we going a little bit like advanced level? Do you think that things are getting a little bit advanced? Slowly and gradually, like initially when we started. क्या बता रहे हो? कॉलम पता है भाई, काय को बता रहे हो हमारे को? पता था ना वो सब चीजें? ABCD is column, 1, 2, 3 is row. Huh? These are cells. These are sheets. These are tabs or ribbons. You know it, sir. Why are you telling? Why are you wasting our time? सोचे तो ना एक बार तो दिमाग में आया था ना? 1% को आया था ना? बोला आया था एक बार तो आया था. Might be people were thinking that अरे it was my wrong decision. Why I joined this institute? These guys are telling me all basic things. I know it already, right? But those basic things also interesting. I asked simple question. This cell multiplied by this equal to 6. Why 6? 3 into 6 is 3. Sorry. This cell equal to 5. It was giving me, it should have given me 6. But that was giving me 5. What is wrong? कुछ तो क्वेश्चन आएगा माइंड में, भाई कुछ तो है, राइट? पंकज दास, अरे सो दास टुडे खाना हो गया, टिफिन हो गया, खुद ही बनाते हो घर पे? हॉस्टल का खाना नहीं खाना, नेक्स्ट हॉस्टल खाना नहीं खाना, वहां से खाना. ठीक है? हॉस्टल hostel, your own house. Me also PG. I don't like PG food, outside food only. Is okay? Basic, intermediate, advanced. Okay. Now let's see. Next is forecast sheet. Forecast sheet is, I'll tell you. Delete. Okay. Forecast sheet will be like this. Okay. Today's date is 2/27. Okay, let me take. Let's suppose these are some profits. Okay. Profit is starting with 210. Nothing but Feb 10th Feb से लेके 19th or let's suppose 20th Feb. Okay, the profit. Or let me give different dates. Today is what date? 27. Okay, so let me make it 20. 1, 2, and 3. Today also this one. To delete it. I have some profits from 20th से लेके 26 तक, ठीक है? And I want to create a forecast up to, for next, let's suppose for next 7 days, nothing but up to 4th of March. Up to, everyone knows that what is forecasting? Weather forecast, we see in the news. Prediction, right? Forecasting of the weather. We see it, right? So it's nothing but based on forecasting also how they are doing it. Weather wala, how they are doing it. So satellites will be there, kind of things, right? Here we don't have satellite. Here we have data. Here we have a trained of the data. Trained, right? Whenever you see any IPL matches or T20 World Cup or one-day matches, right? You are seeing that, okay. India, let's suppose I'm talking about what international ICC match, nothing but international one-day match, 50 hours wala match. 15 hours completed. 15 hours. India का score है 120 runs. Loss of 1 wicket, right? Can you see those graphs? 15 over this projected the scores. They'll be showing you, right? If this will run rate, the projected score will be this, right? If India will next 1 hour, it will be, if it will 10 hour average per hour, then the score will be this. If 20 run per hour, then the score will be this. If 5 run per hour and next 35 hours, then the score will be this. Yes or no happens? Same thing here. Same thing here. I want to see that what will be my projected profit based on this data set. And let's suppose this data set belongs to चाय वाला, चाय की मंडी, चाय की मंडी रहती है छोटी मोटी मंडी चाय वाली, उसका प्रॉफिट है दिन का। प्रॉफिट क्या रहता है उसका? पूरा कॉस्टिंग निकालने के बाद इतना वो डेली का है तो ठीक है, फिर भी कितना है? 45,000 हो गया उसका मंथली इनकम है। वो प्रॉफिट है। और एक्सपेंस, मिल्क का एक्सपेंस, टी का एक्सपेंस काटने के बाद, जिंजर अलम, ठीक है, ब्लैक पेपर सब निकालने के बाद में उतना एक्सपेंस, उसका इतना प्रॉफिट है। 45,000 पर मंथ कमा रहे हो। गुड। सुबह आएगा, सुबह शाम तक रहेगा, राइट? चला जाएगा। स्कूल की नींद रहती है। नो SLA, नथिंग, नो सर्विस लेवल एग्रीमेंट, नो प्रेशर, no pressure of boss, no pressure of colleagues, no extra or no advanced skills to be done, no grooming sessions, no trainings, no technical skills. Only skills should be in preparing chai, Irani chai, allam tea, इलायची टी रहता है ना, उसका प्रॉफिट है। इसके बेस पे मेरे को क्या करना है? आई वांट टू टेक forecasting up to this date. Okay, let me select this data set up to here because I want to know up to here only, right? Then I will go to data tab. In data tab, I will go with forecast sheet. See, the moment I choose forecast sheet, can you see here the starting date? And up to, it's showing me up to only, but I want to see up to forecast and up to 4th March. 4th March. Done. Before pressing the create, first let's discuss this. This is your actual profit as per data 20th से लेके 26. Can you see? As per the file. Now this line is your projected profit. Projected profit. And they are also giving you the upper boundary and lower boundary. Upper boundary means profit can increase up to this level and decrease up to this level. But this is your projected profit. Got it? They're also giving plus minus. Like in first class only I told you that it could be plus minus 20. Plus minus 2 days, 20. It can be 22, it can be 18 days also. I can finish the class. Right? Same thing here. This is the projected average, nothing but kind of average, but In worst situation, it can be this profit. In good situation, it will be reach up to this level. Huh? Now, hit create. See, along with the sheet, additional sheet, I have also see the charts. And by the way, this chart is basically a line chart. Which chart? Line chart. That also discussed later as part of chart section. Done? Excellent. Now, group, ungroup, subtotal. Group, ungroup, and subtotal. What is group, ungroup, subtotal? I will tell you. See here, I have some, employees, their name, ID, the designation, okay, and year on year their salary. 2017, 2019, 18, 19 salaries. Huh? One employee, 2017 salary, 18 salary, 19 salary. Why I've taken 3 times might be because of their, increment happens, not happens. Those can be data details. If someone is there, they have the revised salary, then salary will be revised here. If not, then same salary will be there. Got it? Now I do not want to show these details, these three columns. Basic salary, HRA minus deductions, nothing but net salary is this. I do not want to show these details. I'll hide this. Same thing, I do not want to show this, hide this. Same thing here, three columns selected and click on hide. This already been discussed, right? How to hide, how to unhide the rows and columns. So I'll not repeat now. Now, if I want to see 2017 details of this net salary, what I'll do? I'll select this column D and H. I'll right click and I will say unhide. Details shown. Same thing now I want to see 2018. I'll select H and L and I'll select unhide. Same thing with here also. Hide and hide. That's what I will do it. Same thing. Let's suppose I do not want to show the details for Jaipur. I'll select Jaipur and I'll say hide. Same thing with Delhi also. I do not want to show. Only I want to show total. Only total. Can you see total? Jaipur total. But I don't know what is the bifurcation of this. What is the bifurcation? Detailing. I don't know. In that case, again, what I will do, I'll select number 2 and 8 and right click and I will say unhide. If I want to show everything, I can select the entire sheet and then I can say right click and unhide. Now also Delhi also visible, Jaipur also visible. Yeah. Now instead of that, what I will do, I will not hide and unhide these columns. Now what I will do, I will select these three columns and I will group this. I will group this. I want to show net salary only. I will select these three columns. I will go to group and I will select group. That's it. Can you see this? You might have seen in Excel like this also, right? In your projects in college. Now I will select this basic salary to deduction 2018 group. Same thing, basic salary deductions and group. Done. Now I do not want to show basic salary to deduction 2017. I'll click on this. I do not want to show this one. Done. I want to expand every column. Then tell me how can I do that? If I click on plus symbol, it will be visible. Expanded, expanded, expanded. Collapse one by one. 1, 2, 3. If you want to collapse and expand in one shot, go here. Plus 1 and 2 symbol. 2 is what? Expansion. 1 is what? You want to go one by one, go with the plus symbol. If you want to expand everything, go with 2 symbol. If you want to collapse everything, go with 1 symbol. Done. If I can do this for column, can you do this for rows? Same thing. How will you do? Select this. Don't choose total because that I want to see. Again, go there and click on. Same thing. I'll select for Delhi. I'll go to group and see group. Same thing. Hyderabad. I will choose. So tell me, this is horizontal or vertical? 1, 2. Huh? This is 1, 2. Vertical means column. Horizontal means this means this 1, 2 is for this group and group. This 1, 2 is for columns. If I say number 2, can you see select? Can you see? If I say number 1, collapse. Done. What? Good to go. Now you get a question. Okay, we have learned how to group and group. How about how to remove? Select all data set, ungroup. Ungroup row wise, like city wise. Done. Remove. Can you see this 1, 2 here? No. Now this is horizontally, sorry, vertically, column wise. To practice, you have to group column, you have to group rows, and after that you have to ungroup. Practice purpose. Okay. Subtotal, very very important. What is subtotal? I'll tell you. First, let me remove subtotal. Hit OK. Remove all. Before to apply any subtotal, before to apply any subtotal, the important thing is apply sort on the column which you want to group. We have to sort that particular column first. Okay. It has to be ascending or descending. It's up to you, but it has to be sorted. Example here. First, let me sort the data based on the employee ID. Number 1 to 17. Yeah. Now tell me how many managers are there? How many managers? Are these all together? How many testers? 3. Are these all together? My requirement is I want to see that how much we are paying to all the managers, how much we are paying to all testers, how much we are paying all the associates, nothing but as per the designations, as per the that subtotal I want. Same like I showed you one total, right? Jaipur total, Hyderabad total, that I want. You got it? That I want. Got it? That I want. If you want to do that based on the designation, it means the designation wala column has to be short. I want to see each and every designation all together. How can we get that? With the help of sorting only. Yes or no? Either it can be descending or ascending. It's up to you. Let me choose this step. Sort, and it has to be with designation. A to Z, hit OK. Can you see now all together? Now I want to see that. I want to see designation wise total of net salary. Total of net salary. Total किसका आएगा? Net salary. Which level wise? Designation wise. Got it? Select it. Go to subtotal. Add each change in which one? Use sum. Which function you will use? Sum. Which column? Net salary. By default, these two will be tick mark it. Okay. Can you see manage subtotal? Subtotal here. Got it? How much total salary we are paying to managers? 106 to 50. Can you see? For tester, Okay, let's suppose no, I do not want to see subtotal net salary. I want to see on basic salary. Yes, I can do it. What I will do, I will go. Yes. What I will do, I'll again go to subtotal and I will choose basic salary, not net salary. Hit okay. Now this total will be shown where? Here. Currently total showing where? Under net salary. Can you see this total showing here? What if I choose basic salary then? It will be shown under basic salary. Hit okay. Can you see now? How much basic salary we are paying to managers? 85K. You want to say on both places? Yes, you can choose both places also. How much basic salary we are paying? Total net salary? Yeah. Any questions? Now I see three tabs. 1, 2, 3. One is what? Collapse everything. Total salary we are paying this much. Okay. Then your boss asks, okay, total salary you are paying. To whom you are paying? I want to see designation level. Okay. Click on 2. Then again he's saying, I want to see the employee name also. Then what you will do? Click on. Now tell me, I just want to copy this data set and paste into new sheet. And I want to see how many lines. How can I copy and paste? You got the question? I want to copy this data and I want to paste into new workbook. And how many lines I want to see? Total lines? 11 lines for designation and 11 lines for basic salary. 2 columns, 11 rows. Tell me. Yes. Like this I want to copy. Tell me. How can I copy? इसको चॉकलेट दूंगा जो सही बताएगा आंसर. Control plus. That is okay. That is okay. Open the new workbook. Okay, done. Now tell me. Can I copy and paste?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, we need to move the sheet, sir. Right click on subtotal, move the sheet, create new workbook.
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Copy.
Sorry. 1 minute. Okay. Like this.
Create new work. Yes.
But I do not want to see everything. Simple, I want to see these 11 lines. That's it. Nothing. I don't want to see these things. If I say more copy, what will happen, you know?
Each data will come.
This
The
will
data
not.
we can copy paste. Sir.
That's what I'm asking. Control C, control V. I told 3-4 times when I discuss this topic. It means you guys are not practicing.
Gosh.
I clearly mentioned in that day, that it's very important. I also told shortcut key also, how to select visible cells copy. I told you. What is this?
Okay.
Now copy. And now you can paste. I told you this thing, right?
Okay. Only
Simply,
the values we need to get. Got it.
if you simply will copy this and paste it, see difference between this and this, what happened? There we guys. Got it? I also told you shortcut key. Control and Alt and semicolon. Select it and controls. Alt and semicolon. I told right the shortcut key also. We are not practicing. Subtotal completed. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
No, sir.
Hmm. Tell me, guys. Hmm. No question? None? Shall we move further? So now data tab is completed. Home tab also completed, right? Home tab. Okay. Data tab complete. Home tab complete. Then what is next? Insert, page layout. कुछ नहीं, वो मैंने ऐड कर रखा है, तुम्हारे सिस्टम में नहीं दिखता वो. ठीक है. दैट इज फॉर माय रेफरेंस. इंसर्ट मैं बोला देखो एक क्वेश्चन नहीं बोला था. नहीं ना. नहीं देखा, बट एक एक बंदे का एक फोकस वही रहता है कि सर वो नहीं बताया तुमने. भाई जो बताया वो तो प्रैक्टिस करो पहले. वो है, मैं देखा देयर विल बी वन स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास फॉर श्योर. ऐसे रहते हैं बंदे, बंदे जरूर मिलेंगे. सर वो नहीं बताया. तो भाई ठीक है, पैसा वसूल कराएंगे तुम्हारा, टेंशन नहीं है, पैसा वसूल कराएंगे. तुमने जो फीस पे करी है उसका पैसा वसूल कराएंगे हम लोग. बट फोकस मत करो. वो नहीं है, बोला ना ऊपर. मेरे सिस्टम में नहीं है, वो नहीं, वो मेरे रेफरेंस से मैंने लगा दिया वहां पे. मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है उसका फिलहाल. जो बताया उतना प्रैक्टिस तो करो. ठीक है. रहता है ऐसे, मतलब तुम्हारा एरर नहीं है, वो रहता है कुछ कुछ बंदों में ऐसा रहता है. वो नहीं बताया सर. डन. ओके. Inside page layout, formulas, data, review, view. Okay, let's discuss this one. I was thinking to start. Okay, let me discuss this only. View wala, this one. View tab we can discuss now. Okay. Review tab we'll discuss later. What is the view tab? View tab nothing but it's kind of like, there are three types of view in the sheet. Normal view, page break view. Can you see page break view? Page layout view, normal view. What are these three views? Nothing but normal view, whatever you are working on it, that is normal view. Page break preview. Page break preview में क्या होता है कि it will show you how many pages will be printed. How many? And how to shift these, how to adjust this page layout and everything, that will discuss as part of page layout and printing techniques. But view wise, this is the normal page break preview and page layout view. All these things we'll discuss as part of this page layout. But this is only viewing purpose I'm telling you. We will working on normal view as of now. Now grid lines. Grid lines, formula bar, headings. Guys, 1 minute, I'm getting. See, actually, at times you are seeing that, sir, my colleague, he has blank page, white page. But I see these lines. होता है ना कभी कभी. So उसके सिस्टम में देखो white वो line दिख रहा, white page रहता है, like that white page. And you know how he's doing? He is just giving the borders. Like in his system, how it is showing like this, I'll tell you. Like this. पूरा border उसके बाद में सब कुछ blank रहता है, कुछ white page है kind of. तो वो क्या चीज है ये चीज? These things are grid lines. Remove it from there. Go to view and remove this. Can you see grid lines now on this page? Grid lines. Done. Without having formula bar, can you tell me whether formula is applied or not applied? Possible or not possible? Let's suppose I have taken these numbers here, here, and here. Done. This is the formula bar. I'll go to view. I will remove formula bar. Tell me, do we have formula here? 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 We can't tell anything. Why? Because formula bar is not visible. If formula bar will be visible, then I can tell formula is there, yes or no. Now? Now? Got it? Headings. What is headings? Which column it is? Which column? This one? This one, this one. Not this one. Here, here. Now tell me which column it is. Still you can tell me. Ah, smart answer. T is the column. एड्रेस बार में देख लो वहां पे जाके, इसलिए बोला, इसलिए कर्सर नहीं रखा यहाँ पे, इसलिए बोला था मैं ये कॉलम बताओ, इसलिए पहले बोल दिया मैं कर्सर के बाद बताया तुम, बट ये कॉलम बताओ. Still you can check it. Apply your logic, guys. If it is T ना, count it. U V W X Y Z कॉलम है सर, बता सकते हैं ना ऐसे करके, Z है देखो. एक्सेल में एक्सेल होनी चाहिए. ओके ना? हाँ? तेलुगु में क्या बोलते हैं इसको? नकल में अकल. हाँ? नकल में अकल होनी चाहिए. If you're cheating, you have mind. तेलुगु में क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. ठीक है? Done? Any questions? Done. Headings. Now zooming options. This is already here, right? But this is important. Zoom to तो एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया को तुम्हारे को शो करना है तुम्हारे स्क्रीन पे. अब एग्जांपल मैं यदि मान लो इस पूरे को मैं जूम करता हूँ, तो भी क्या हो रहा है? एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग जूम, यस और नो, राइट? एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग जूम आउट, यस और नो. बट मेरे को क्या करना है? पर्टिकुलर सेल है, मैंने लेट सपोज में लिखा है H2SO4, H2SO4 सही लिखा है, H2SO4 सही तुम करते रहना आप, ठीक है? अब इसको मेरे को जूम करना है, पर्टिकुलर सेल को करना है, तो क्या करूंगा? दिख रहा है मेरा फोकस यहीं पे, इस सेल पे फोकस है मेरा. मेरा कर्सर कहाँ पे है? सेल पे. अगर 100% कर दो उसका, ठीक है? न्यू विंडो, अरेंज ऑल एंड फ्रीज पेन्स. व्हाट इज अरेंज ऑल? लेट्स सपोज आई हैव हाउ मेनी, let me copy this data. Paste it here. How many workbook I open currently? File, workbook, file, spreadsheet. How many files? How many files I'm asking?
2.
तो सोचने का क्या की जरूरत है? सोच के बोल रहे हो. Which means how many workbook open? कितना है?
2.
इतने क्या करते हो? सोच रहे हो. 2 है ना? तो फिर क्या को सोच रहे थे? 2 workbook, right? In this 2 workbook, I want to arrange this workbook. Nothing but I want to compare these 2 workbook. So I say arrange all. Vertically means line column. Vertically assigned. Hit OK. Sheet 1, sheet 2. Can you see? Now I can compare these 2 workbook. Workbook 1, workbook. If you have 3 sheets, 3 windows will be there. 1, 2, 3. This is called which align type? Vertically. If you change this to horizontally, but horizontally will not be little bit, okay, because see, you cannot compare like this, इसका size बढ़ाओ, कम करो size, not good. You can go with vertical align. कैस्केड अलग रहता है. Cascade में like first window will be this, second will be under here. Got it? ऐसे करके भी कर सकते हो. vertically. Done? How many workbook open? Let me close this. I have same data. Data 2 and data tab. अब मेरे को इन दोनों में कंपेयर करना है. Single workbook but different tabs. I will click on new window. क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? I simply click on new window. नया वर्कबुक ओपन नहीं होता, विंडो ओपन होता. अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, कर्सर कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे कर्सर कहाँ पे है अभी? डेटा टैब 2, डेटा टैब 1, A1, A2. Now what you can do? Now you can arrange these two vertically. Now side by side comparison. वर्कबुक एक ही है. I'll tell you. वर्कबुक क्या है? Arranged. वर्कबुक एक ही था, right? New window. If I say, can you see here ending with? इसका वो क्या है? Carbon copy. But for comparison purpose, we are using this new window. Workbook will be one only. If you have additional duplicate file, same data. Done. Freeze panes very important. I told you the shortcut key. How can I freeze the first row? Shortcut key is go to your last page and tell me. All WFR. All WFR. How to fix the first row? I can put my cursor here. I can simply say Alt WFR. Can you see? First row phrase. How can I remove this? Alt WFF. Alt WFR applied. Alt WFR. से नहीं हटता कभी भी. हटेगा किससे? Alt WFF से. Alt WFF to remove. I'll tell you what is Alt WFF also. I'll tell you. So example, if I want to freeze first row, what I applied there? Alt WFR. Why Alt WFR? I'll tell you. Press Alt. And now I know that the freeze panes available where? View. W. I know that freeze panes is here. F. And I want to freeze first row. R. Alt WFR done. Now I want to unfreeze it. Alt W F. Unfreeze is what? F. Alt WFF. Got it? Now my requirement, no. I don't want to freeze first row. I want to freeze here. Then what is shortcut key? Shortcut key is select the particular row and apply Alt WFF. See now. Got it? I want to unfreeze it. Shortcut key same thing. Alt WFF. Or how people they are not using Alt WFF? You know, Alt WFR they are not using. They are selecting the row here only. Then they are applying Alt WFF. Fine. Either select this row here and apply Alt WFF, or directly put the cursor here and apply Alt WFR. That is also clear. Okay, my requirement is I do not want to freeze here. Let me remove one Alt WFF removed. I want to apply here. Nothing but I want to freeze 3 columns and these 3 rows. How many rows? 6. And how many columns I'm freezing? 3 columns. Put the cursor here and then apply Alt WFF. Now you see. See? And this side, 3 columns freeze. It's up to you guys where you want to put a freeze. 90% we are putting a freeze on first row. 90%. For that you can use Alt WFF. Clear? Any questions? How can I remove the freeze? Shortcut is Alt WFF, remove. Split hide.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I have a question in new Windows, sir.
Where?
New Windows.
New window, this one?
Right. So
Currently,
as
how
you
many-
said, only one, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead with your questions. Yeah.
Once I click on that new window, we'll have a carbon copy of the main sheet, right?
Yeah,
Or the second sheet.
duplicate copy will be created for the same file.
Okay. If I make any changes or add or delete anything in that another sheet, will it go into replicate on this sheet also, sir?
No, if you are going to change into your duplicate file, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Suppose currently I have this file, the
Mm-hmm.
duplicate file. Let me click on new window.
Okay.
Now this 2 is what? Your duplicate file.
Right.
Let me write it here. Let me write, let's suppose today's date is 2/7/2024. Let me color it. This is a duplicate file, right? Let me
Right.
save and close. Save. I save this.
Okay.
And let me close this. Oh my
Okay.
God. Sorry, 1 minute. 2 is this. Okay, let me close this. This is original file. It will be there.
Okay. So any changes in that new window will be appearing in the main file also.
Yes, yes. Good question.
Okay, sir. And one more question, sir. So as we once it is we click on the new window, we'll get two files with the same name, right?
No. Same name, but ending with some number 2, 3, 4. Example here, what is the file name?
Excel training, Excel X01.
If I say new window, what is the name?
2.
This is a duplicate one.
Okay.
This is the original one.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Okay, 1 second, sir. Can you go on to the second file?
Okay.
Okay, here I make the changes and close the file. Actually, I need to make the changes in sheet 1. I mean the file number 1.
File number
And
one.
it so
Okay, let me
check this.
Okay.
Okay.
Done. This is the original file. Control S.
Okay.
Control S. Let me close duplicate file now. This is a duplicate one, right?
Right. So, sir, 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. So, if I want this file also, where can I find this file? I mean, it will be automatically saved or?
No. This is saved. This is into the memory only. It's in RAM only, not
Okay.
in.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
That's it. It's only in RAM only. If you want to save this file, then apply shortcut key F12.
Yeah,
And
sure,
you
sir.
can save it
Thank
to
you.
different name.
Okay.
Clear? See,
Clear, sir.
it is not showing 2 here. Display
Right.
purpose only showing 2.
Got it, sir.
Done. Split hide. Now currently how many workbook? 1. Split. 4 sections, 4 quadrant. I put my cursor here only, so now it is 4 quadrants. Hide. How many workbook open? How many? 2 workbook.
2.
Whenever we open a new workbook, sheet 1, if I click on to sheet 2, sheet 3 happens. I want to highlight I want to hide these two sheets. Hide. I want to unhide, right click and unhide. Done. Correct. Now I want to hide this file. File is open. I want to hide this file. आप बोलोगे क्लोज कर दो सर, हाइड हो जाएगा. Close is nothing but hide only, na. I'm saying that I don't want to see this file here. Currently, how many show you? I don't want to show here. What you will say? Close it. I don't want to close. I want to hide this file. What you can do? Click on hide. Which file name? Excelatics Excel training hide. How many workbook do you see? That workbook is still open, but it's into hide mode. How can I unhide that? Hit up.
No hiding on.
Yes.
Not as file hiding.
File hide हुआ ना. मतलब जो फाइल है उसका विंडो हाइड हो गया. करेक्ट. डन. सेट. व्यू साइड बाय साइड. इसका रीजन, इसका क्या है, टेल यू. एग्जांपल ये मेरा फाइल है. Another file data, right? Control C, Control. If I choose arrange all as vertical, if I'm scrolling this file here down, okay. So if I'm scrolling it down, do you see this file is also scrolling down or not down? Scroll down, may run as well. See, but this is not getting scroll down. What I can do is I can apply one thing here. That will be here. 1 minute. Let me maximize it. This one and this one. What I will do is, let me apply view side by side. Click on this view side by side. Done. Now, what view I want to change? Currently, this into not a vertical. This is into cascade. I will go with vertical aside. Now done. Now view side by side. Can you see here? Scroll down. What together? This file and this file. This I'm putting my cursor here, but scroll down wise. See, this is also getting scrolled down. Both the files. I want to stop it, then option will be here. Synchronous scrolling off kar do yahan se. Now it will not be there. But if you are putting it on, then yes, synchronous scrolling. Done. I can say off and this one off. Done. Now this is important. See, I still remember my client used to switch the windows like book 1, book 2 from here. Another file, another file. Switch windows. Same thing we can do with the help of Alt and Tab. Alt Tab. Toggling the windows. This is called toggle the window. Alt and Tab. This Alt Tab key not only will be working with same nature of files. Example, in this case, I have how many workbook open? Same nature, Excel only, right? Let me open one more workbook. Done. Now Where is my cursor? Word file. Now Excel. Now the last window was, current window is, now it will be Word versus Excel. Can you see here? Alt tab. Last two windows will be appearing with the help of Alt plus Tab. Example, where is my cursor now? Word. Second, I'm putting my cursor on folder. Now this window will be Word and folder. See, Word and folder. Now, first cursor this file, second cursor this file. Now let me open one more workbook, book number 3. How many workbook open? 3. Now I want to see book number 1, book number 2, book number 3. Toggle it. How can I toggle it? This Alt tab will only give me 2 screens, yes or no? I tell you. Now you are thinking, okay, first put the cursor here. Okay, first put the cursor here first, second, and third. Now you try. Okay, I'll try. ये हो रहा है। ऐसे ही सोचते लोग, मतलब मालूम मुझे सब पता है, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें। करेक्ट? ऐसे भी थिंक करते रहो लोग, हाँ तीनों पे कर्सर कर दो हो जाता, नहीं हो रहा ना? टेल मी। Switch windows, okay, this way. One way, correct. This way you can go. Yes or no? Or else what we can do is, instead of control and tab, so alt and tab, what you can do? Control shift tab key. Control shift. See, you will find number 2, number 1, number 3. And just what I'm doing? Control shift and tab. All set. आज की रामायण खत्म. Do you want me to cover a few things extra now? I can, small things I can cover, right? 10 minutes. Let's do this one. Insert. Pivot table we'll discuss later. Not now. Pictures. How can we insert a picture? Right? If you want to insert a picture from this device, from this computer, you can insert. Okay. Stock images you can take online. Online pictures you can take. Let's suppose Apple. ये एप्पल कभी आती नहीं, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं आती. ये वाली एप्पल कभी नहीं आती है. Let's try that. Let me choose another apple. Literally नहीं आती. I don't know why. इसको ट्राई करेंगे क्या? ये भी नहीं आएगी शायद. पता नहीं क्यों नहीं आती. सब आता देखो इसमें. Everything will be coming. Huh? I don't know. See, I'll take this now. It will be coming. See. है ना? ये आ जाएगी देखो. वो नहीं आती. I don't know. वो मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम क्यों नहीं आती वो. See, coming ना. इसको ग्रिड लाइन निकाल दो यहाँ से. ये में जाके ग्रिड लाइंस निकाल दो. If you want, cut it and paste it some other file. यहाँ पे पेस्ट करो. इसमें कर दो यहाँ पे. साइज थोड़ा छोटा कर दो उसका. रिसाइज यू कैन डू राइट. ऐसे रिसाइज कर दो, सेंटर में रख दो और उसको ग्रिड लाइन निकाल दो. ठीक है. कल लगाता स्टेटस में. बाय बाय हैदराबाद लगा दिया. लगा. तुमको नहीं पता है क्या? इंडिगो है क्या? तुम्हारा मैं इंडिगो. Done. How to insert picture? Done. Online pictures. Shapes. Shapes are very important. I will tell you. Shapes by, like, you can insert any shape from here. Let's suppose I want to insert this shape. I want to insert this shape. Insert it, right? You insert any of the shape, but this section is important. What is this? I will not explain you flowchart now. You will understand when you start working on this, okay? In the process in any company, I'll tell you. What is flowchart? Flowchart, nothing but you might have seen any kind of SOP in your project whenever you did your MBA or in BTech. They used to tell like flowchart, kind of like process flowchart, start, terminator, otherwise owl shape, then process, square box, then decision box will be diamond shape. Which shape? Diamond shape. These are the flow charts. If I'm putting my cursor here, terminator will be here. See, terminator. This is start and for end. Start and end. That's it. This will be your process. What is the next step? What is the next step? Example. Applied for credit card. Start करो. Applied for credit card. Start कर दिया. Applied. KYC. Successfully completed. Yes. Yes में arrow आएगा next. उसके बाद क्या रहेगा? Card issue. Right? KYC incomplete. Again, we'll go to this arrow. This is mean this that will be your terminator decision box. Clear? अब यहाँ पे ऐसे तो क्या नेक्स्ट स्टेप यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. नो है तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे एरो लगाएंगे वापस स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. KYC incomplete. Got it? This you will understand when you create SOP kind of things. Done? Now, we have one more thing important that will be here. Icons wise also you can take icon, any icon from here, which is not available on your keyboard. Examples, someone is fan of gym. Insert कर सकते. ठीक है? Any icons? Smart art. This is important. Smart art, let's suppose you have to create a hierarchy. You have joined as a fresher, example. So fresher means PA or PE, SPE, SME. First is PE, process executive, senior process executive. Then SME, subject matter expert. Then AM, assistant manager. Then manager. Then SM. Then DGM, deputy general manager. Then GM. होता है, हायरार्की बनती है. तुम्हारे बॉस ने तुम्हारे को पूछा कि भाई तुम्हारे लेवल से तुम बनाओ मैनेजर तक का. किस तक का बनाओ? Starting with your position. Your position is P example. P to manager you have to prepare. P to manager. What you can do? Click on hierarchy. In hierarchy, you will have find so many things, so many types of templates. Choose this. Hit OK. अब यहाँ पे कितने हैं? कितने बंदों के हैं ये सेम लेवल, ये सेम लेवल. यहाँ मैंने डाल दिया कि भाई ठीक है कि लेट्स सपोज यू आर पी. यहाँ पे डाल दिया. यहाँ पे SP ही है, यहाँ पे SME. ये तीनों मिलकर रिपोर्ट करते हैं. ये वाला जैसे में रिपोर्ट करता है कि AM2 को. ठीक है. और ये वाला SME दो 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 एक SP रिपोर्ट किसको करता है? यहाँ पे AM1 है, असिस्टेंट मैनेजर 1. रिपोर्ट किसको कर रहा है? इसको कर रहा है. ये किसको कर रहा है? इसको कर रहा है. इन दोनों का बॉस कौन है? मैनेजर. नेम यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग. यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग. अब तुम्हें जगह नहीं, बस अब मेरे को तो केवल नाम के साथ पिक्चर भी चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? पिक्चर भी चाहिए. वो भी कर सकते हो. इंसर्ट में जाओ, स्मार्ट आर्ट, हायरार्की में जाके पिक्चर वाला ही रहेगा शायद. पिक्चर हायरार्की दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे क्लिक करो. ये वाला पिक्चर लेनी है. यहाँ पर डबल क्लिक करो उस पर. 1 मिनट. हाँ, फ्रॉम फाइल राइट. ठीक है, चूज किया मैंने एग्जाम्पल. डेस्कटॉप पे पिक्चर पड़ी है क्या? देखेंगे. हाँ, डमी है. डमी पिक्चर ले लेता हूँ. इंसर्ट. दिख रहा है पिक्चर? यहाँ पे नाम डाल दो फिर. एग्जाम्पल मैंने नाम डाल दिया कि ही इज अ सैम. सैम इज द मैनेजर. इसको एडजस्ट कर लो फिर. थोड़ा उसको मूव कर दो इधर साइड में. थोड़ा फोन साइज छोटा कर दो उसका. ठीक है, एडजस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. स्क्रीनशॉट एक स्निपिंग टूल लेते हैं, क्या लेते हैं, यहाँ से भी ले सकते हैं. स्क्रीनशॉट में इस पे क्लिक करा, एग्जांपल में लेना है कि screen clipping. So click on this. I can take a screen clipping on this. यहाँ पेस्ट करता हूँ उसको. सॉरी, 1 मिनट. ये रिवर्स आता है कभी भी. I'll tell you. अब यहाँ पे मैं कर्सर कहाँ रखा, इसको पहले यहाँ रखा था ना. लेट मी पुट माई कर्सर हियर एंड गो देयर. यहाँ से स्क्रीन क्लिपिंग करेंगे. अभी इंसर्ट में जाके वर्ड में से करेंगे. अब यहाँ पे आएगा, ये रिवर्स आता है. ठीक है, नाउ आई कैन टेक है स्क्रीन. आगे आप वहां से स्टार्ट करके वहां का लेके यहाँ पे डाल दें. हाँ, वही यूज करो, मत करो ये यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. अभी क्लियर कट बोला ना, यूज मत करो वो. यूज स्निपिंग टूल, डू नॉट यूज दिस. चार्ट्स को चार्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे. स्पार्क लाइन्स, slicers, this one will be discussed as part of your pivot table only. This we can discuss line and column in loss. What is spark lines? I'll tell you. I have some database from Jan to. I will choose this Jan to December dataset. I will go to insert and I will go with lines and location I want to put here. Let me start from here. Line, data range, Jan to December. Hit OK. Now drag it down. It will be showing you the trend of the data. That you can also insert for only for 6 months. In that case, choose the 6-month data. Right? There will be one question on this in the section. They'll ask you that, can you please insert a spark line spark line, column spark line. If I want to choose only from Jan to, let's suppose, June, Jan to June, I will go with, let's suppose, column this time. Location, I will set these 3. Hit OK. All together also I can insert. Instead of dragging it down, select these 3. Done. This will be part of pivot table. Links. Links में क्या होता है? Example. Now where I am currently, which tab? And I want to go to home tab. What I will do, I will go here and I will click on it. मेरे को क्या करना है, यहाँ पे होम लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? HOME होम. यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक कर सकता हूँ. I can go to link or I can simply go to link here also. Insert link. Place in the same document, right? Which tab I want to go? Select it. Hit OK. This hyperlink. Now click on it. Where is your cursor now? From this tab, I want to go to, let's suppose, page layout data. Page layout data. protect again. Let me choose to protected. Right click. Okay, 1 minute. Control C. And I want to go to which tab? ये वाला tab, right? क्या करूँगा यहाँ पे? Right click or link or directly go to insert and click on link. Place in this document, same document. Which tab? Same ना? अब मेरे को होम की जगह क्या करना है मालूम? तो होम की जगह मेरे को एक पिक्चर इंसर्ट करना है. क्या करना है? पिक्चर कौन सा इंसर्ट कर लिए? होम की पिक्चर इंसर्ट करनी है. आई विल इंसर्ट होम पिक्चर की. इंसर्ट. This time I will, maybe I can write home and then I can put a picture also. But I will link this picture with the home tab. Click on this picture, go to link, and I will choose home tab. Hit OK. Now simply click on this home. Web page wise also you can create. Example like I want to create a Google link here. Which link? In the file, Google link. Click on this link and web page. This one, choose this one. Text to display, I want to say Google. Address I want to give, let's suppose https www.google. What is screen tip? Screen tip nothing but whenever you hover over the mouse on the particular cell, the display message will be there. Same like data validation. Before entering data, it was showing some message that that I want to type in here. Let's suppose search engine. I will write here. Search engine. Okay. Hit OK. Hit OK. Name is this search engine. Can you see? If I click on this, Google will be open. Got it? Links. हाँ हाँ नहीं वो without it तो ऊपर हो जाता. Text box, you can insert text box here. Header and footer will be part of your printing. Word art. बचपन में करते थे पहले. फर्स्ट टाइम कंप्यूटर मिला था. ये करते थे ना, नाम लिखते थे खुद का. करते थे ना? I'll show you one thing. Word art यहाँ पे भी है. Same thing will be available here also. We should write like this. Welcome to अपन कैसे करते थे पता है? इसको ऐसा रखते थे, इसको यहाँ रखते थे, इसको यहाँ रखते थे, इसको यहाँ रखते थे. इसको क्या करते थे? यहाँ जाके व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू, एनिमेशन लगाते थे इसमें. राइट. आई लीव दिस एनिमेशन. इस पे सेलेक्ट करते थे. Then we used to use animation like swivel like this. So then we used to do like this. इसको फिर अपन शिफ्ट F5 करते थे, फिर अपन ऐसे ऐसे प्रेस कर देते, वेलकम टू Xletics. This is what we used to do. First time पे ही करता था मैं. System से we used to play earlier. Got it? Insert text. Insert. Signature line, not so important. Object. Object means within the Excel file, I want to insert one Excel file. Got it? Example here. This is my original file. In this file, I want to insert one more file. Let me save this file, book 3. The same name I will save, book 3 only. Desktop पे save कर दिया. And I want to insert that file. Let's suppose here. Insert text object. Book 3, right? Insert displays icon. You can change the icon also if you want. I will choose this icon. Hit OK. As an object. As a directly you can open this file. At times you can लिखते ना. For more, let's suppose this is summary level details. This is summary level details. If you want to know more about this data set, raw data, please go ahead with the below attached file. लिखते हैं ना Excel में ऐसा है. Not only Excel, you can insert in Excel, you can insert PowerPoint, you can insert email, you can insert Word, you can insert any of the other types also. Done. Last, symbols. This we cannot write right in Excel. I'll just click on it. Symbol wise रहता तुम्हारे को. We cannot write copyright, patent, trademark symbols, right? That we can choose with this help of this copyright, registered, trademark. You can choose from here. See, but this is not available on the keyboard, right? But that's it for today. And guys, as I mentioned earlier also, now today is ninth day, right? 9th day. Because of my constant health issues, I'm traveling to my hometown tomorrow. Okay. So classes won't be the offline. You can join the class online only for next 10 to 11 days. Okay. If you don't have laptop, we have a solution for it. As usual, come to the institute. Front office team, they will plug in the laptop. You can see the screen here. My voice will be here. So you don't miss me. My voice will be here only. The same laptop, same place. Okay. Okay. You can join in because due to some constant health issues, I'm traveling back to my hometown. And in fact, my wife is also not feeling well. Severe back pain and this cervical. Okay. Tomorrow there will be no class because I will be traveling. I have flight at 11 o'clock morning, so I have to start from here 8 o'clock morning. Jaipur. So classes will be tomorrow is what? Thursday only. Classes will be continue. Okay. Your today batch day is 9th day today. So because mostly classes will be 11, 12 days, right? Max to max 11 plus 12, 12 plus 9, 21. In 21 days classes will be over. That's what I'm telling. Don't get confused. Why I'm saying 11 days means your batch will be finished in 11 days. That's what I'm telling. Got it? No more online, no more offline or online GB class. Got it? Today also I woke up and again I slept because I was not feeling well. Okay. If you don't have laptop, computer, come here, institute. Same screen will be there. Same voice will be here. They'll put a laptop here only. You guys can sit here nearby. If you have any question, you can unmute yourself and you can speak it out. If you have your own laptop, join from your home only. For you, that will be challenge, right? Because you have another class, man. Now come to student. Bring your laptop here, na? Sit in the room, this room, that room. Take the class. Both of you can take together. Right? If you want to connect with the lab, here you can connect it. See this LAN will be there, na? Attach this and see there and unmute yourself from your laptop and speak it out. Okay? Hmm? They'll give you Wi-Fi password. Please join in 10 minutes before because first time you're joining online, na? So join it 10 minutes before so that you will do some testing. Otherwise, to 9:30 sharp, it will be taking like 10 minutes to log in and all, right? Only join from home, guys. No issues for you. You joined online already? You? You joined, right? Then okay for you. You don't have laptop? You have laptop? You join from your room or you come here? It's up to you, guys. Okay? So then see you after 1 month. And project session also I'll be taking mostly online, not then offline. Because for project sessions, once we will cover the class now, we will be taking project session after 20 days. Because we are giving some time to students to practice. On whatever we have discussed for that, you need to practice. Because in project session, whatever we are going to cover, that will be part of your regular classes only. You may leave your class now. Okay? Chalo then bye. Bye everyone.